Okay, welcome to Coach K Fitness. Today we're going to work on correcting probably one of the most common errors or bad things you see with runners, joggers around the world. And let's demonstrate this thing. When you see a runner going down the street doing this, okay? They're twisting from side to side, that ponytail is flopping from shoulder to shoulder. Okay, this is bad. Not only does it look bad, but it's really inefficient, wastes a lot of energy. Okay? So we've come up with what we think is a good drill to fix that. Okay? So let's demonstrate here. So step one is Sharon's going to get into what we call a classic runner position. Okay? So part of this is to train your brain what it feels like to be in a good position versus a bad position, which we see a lot of runners slumped over, or leaning forward, or all sorts of other things, that duck butt sticking out there. Okay? This is good posture. Alright? You want to line up your shoulders over your hips. That's good. You have a slight little pelvic tilt so your spine's in neutral, not tight. Your front knee, if you look at this, is just a little bit past your ankle. Okay, in track and field, we call that creating rollover. Okay, that sense of momentum rolling over your foot, going forward. Okay, for back leg, this part is important. If you look at that angle, we call this your hypotenuse leg. It creates a vector that's pushing backwards, which in turn propels you forward. Okay, linear momentum forward propulsion. If that back leg is too close, pull your leg up. Closer. Now that push is going to make her go up and down. So when she runs, she does that bouncy thing. Okay? Now that her leg is back here, all the momentum is going to drive her forward. Okay? That's good. So we've got that part corrected. Now we can correct the elbows. So once she has this, your training partner will stand back here and give you a little contact. Okay, feedback is good. Alright? So now she can feel where her shoulders are, and as she moves her elbows forward, backwards. And if you notice, she's moving them in a nice symmetrical pattern. As one goes forward, the other one comes backwards. Okay? And this is staying level. If she was doing this wrong, it would be twisting side to side, side to side. Okay? We want this to stay level right across. The only thing moving is the elbows. Okay? This will help correct that terrible running pattern we see on the road all the time. Okay? Now, if you have any questions, call us here at Coach K Fitness. Thank you.